Outdoor 704. This is who we are.
Hey, make sure you get my good angle.
Proudly assembled by. I don't know who's got. Whose signature is that?
If that's your signature,
Comment and
comment. First thing I pick up
throw that thing away.
is better.
Save it for.
Oh, I'll be using it if my wireless module goes to shit.
Oh yeah.
But
Mine hasn't gone to shit yet, but
no.
I can't find it right now. I don't know where I can put it.
Your wireless?
Yeah.
No way.
That's why I used my crappy one the other day, my power wagon.
Oh, don't worry.
I'm like, where's my? I thought it was in Alyssa's Jeep.
Well,
I took everything out when I
I
sold
got a
it.
wireless module for this thing, but it's always nice to have these things. But the thing I like about these is the first thing you feel is they use a better quality silicone.
Nope, one of mine's freezes. So the one in my power wagon.
I mean, I don't
It
think
gets
there's
stiff when it's cold out.
Right, and I don't think there's one out there that's not going to.
Oh, they could if they
But,
wanted to.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab. I have them in my truck, but that bulldog winch that I have,
Yeah.
the cable just has never lost its original shape from when it was
Oh yeah.
wrapped up. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a pain in the ass. I hate that kind of stuff.
So how come you didn't get the Smitty belt?
Well, we're going to talk a little bit about that, but you know, the way I look at it is if you're going to put a component on your vehicle that's supposed to save your ass, I'm not going to sacrifice quality.
Yeah. I mean, they got a good price point for some people, and that's fine. It's better.
Yeah.
It's better than nothing for sure.
It sure is, but
It's going to save your butt.
Hey, who wants to
Indeed.
live life that way? You know.
But sometimes when you're 20 miles from nowhere and you're relying on that winch to get yourself out,
Absolutely.
I think I'd rather go to the Warren.
Yeah.
What's up, Sean?
Hey,
Hey.
I got you a six pack. I figured a 22 is all you needed, but I splurged.
The first thing we got to do is put it in the refrigerator.
It's cold in here. Chilly out there, huh?
There's the refrigerator.
Yeah, man.
So I figured out.
It comes with the rope.
Well, if you buy the Cincinnati version, it does.
Did you get the JL version?
The winches are all the same.
Nope.
JL Virgin. What?
They have a JL version, and I'll show you what the difference is.
Isn't the
So this
bumper
knob on mine runs 180 degrees for the JK. The JL version runs 90. It stops, and I'll show you. It's going to
Yeah,
hit.
it's gotta only do 90.
It'll hit your bumper on that cutout.
But I thought these ones were made for that.
I don't think there's another part.
Well, they might have just upgraded it.
Does this do a 90-degree turn?
They might have just changed all of
I
them.
read that too, that it's fast. It's only can do a 90-degree.
So see if it clicks forward or if it clicks 180. Cable's
Why
hanging.
does it look so heavy?
There you go. Mount it on the Jeep. There we go. Perfect. Duct tape. Yep. So they upgraded.
Yeah,
it.
so it did?
Yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's
They
what I
must,
said.
have, they must have done because there's no different part number
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
JL stuff.
So
I
I'm
heard
pretty
these
sure.
Xeon 10s were made for the JL.
Yeah. So mine
'Cause it only
goes
did it
all the
90.
way around,
Gotcha.
which I was gonna throw it on the JL, but it's gonna hit. So I might have to cut it. I might have to cut like a chamfer out of it
You must
for it to
work
go
out.
in.
So I'm gonna have to run and grab some whiskey, huh?
I mean, you don't have to.
Oh, I'm more than willing. You brought cold smoke. It's the least I can do. I got some good whiskey up there too, by the way.
Lime?
Limes.
Citrus? Yeah, Corona's kind of skunky with a little lime, huh?
I freaking had the 6-pack sitting on my porch cooling off, and I forgot to grab one when I left. Dang it.
Are those under $1,000?
What, he don't have one on his JK?
He does, but it's a Smitty built.
Oh, yeah, take that.
You know what?
I don't want to badmouth nobody.
So, the guy that he bought his JK from put a Warren sticker on his Smitty built winch.
Makes him feel good inside.
I wanted one, I just couldn't afford it.
Like, the problem is he advertised it as a Warren.
See, now, that's a flag. Big old flag. What
That's
else
not-
did he do that to on the JK?
Oh, absolutely. There was something. Oh, you know what else he did? He put a Rubicon sticker on the hood. And it's
It
not
is a sport.
Rubicon, it's a sport. Yeah.
All the Rubicon guys take their stickers off.
But he did say,
I will.
Well, I gotta do
I
it.
got a custom name and shit. But he did tell him that.
Yeah.
Now these things are sick, man. You know what? I mean, you put these up against any other winch that I've ever purchased, and there's so much better about these Xeons. The only thing above this is the platinum
We should do a pull off. This compared to my 8,
on. Oh, your JK.
the one I took off the JK.
How
I
would
don't
we?
think that would do anything.
How would we set
it's
that
just
up?
like
I don't know.
glass.
You had to just tow it, put them both on the hill, and see which tows you up.
I don't know. I
When-
don't know if this is any faster than the 8. Matter of fact, it might be slower.
Yeah. Sometimes they do.
You got a little different gear reduction. You know, because I can't. Don't quote me on this, but I think
Actually,
the housing and the case is the same.
It's probably the same motor, and that's probably how they got the 10. Is
That's correct.
gearing it down.
That's correct. Yeah,
Yeah.
a little less, or a little more reduction in the
Yeah.
planetary and stuff. But I don't know. Now that I've had a Xeon on my JK, I can't put anything else on it. They're slick.
How come you didn't go to the next version up with the remote?
Money,
Money.
honestly. I'd rather take that extra money and put it towards, like my RCV axle shafts.
Yeah.
And I know, I probably should have just had
The-
to send me a plan.
I do like those because they show your temperature
Mhm.
of the winch in the remote.
Yeah, but I mean, when we're winching, Todd,
You're not gonna see it.
seriously,
You're not
I
gonna-
mean, is it even something that we even pay
No.
attention to? Hell no. Look, not that it doesn't serve a function or have a place, obviously, but
Oh yeah, something else.
this is what I was mostly interested in, was getting 10,000 pound. I put an 8,000 pound on the JK. I don't know if you remember that or not, but
Yeah.
I put an 8S on the JK, and I always wanted a little bit more pulling power. It never didn't do the job, but I wanted more.
Yeah. Well, that's the same one we have on our
Snatch
JK
one.
is 8S.
Of course.
I carry 4 of them.
Now I have a 20,000 pound winch instead of a 16,000 pound.
So just in case I need to go
Oh, I'm
in
sure
different
they're
directions.
underrated. It's like a Warren. You know.
Well, the thing is, like, what a lot of folks don't understand is, so we'll do a 20, we'll stop 20 feet from your truck and we'll go ahead and pull, right? Well, you've got 3 or 4 wraps on that drum. The more wraps on your drum, the less pulling power you have. So I actually like to use a snatch block in a lot of instances because by the time you pull it out and then pull it back, you have less wraps in this drum and less mechanical advantage on the drum.
It's like the big gear on your mountain bike.
That's right. Big drum.
Yeah.
My power plant's a 9500, and I've just never even, it's never stopped.
If they still made a power plant, I'd have one on the street.
Yeah.
Seriously. I wanted that.
Different company though.
You bet. And I would have, look, the only reason I'm not doing a different bumper is because this fits. But I'm still not doing what I know I should do. Because, like I told you, I don't want that winch inaccessible. I don't want my rope inaccessible. And that's exactly what it's going to be when it's down this. I like it sitting up on top.
I like the look of it sitting down inside.
I like the look too. Absolutely. That's why a lot of the industry's gone that way. But
It's a warrant. You're never going to have to touch it.
you know what happens with winches?
The warm
winches? The installers fuck up.
the warm winch we had on the TJ. So it went on brand new.
Yep.
No, we took it off. We took it off at CJ back in 2003. So it was already on a Jeep for 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
Took it off, put it on the TJ, ran on the TJ up until 5 years ago. However many years that was. It corroded inside.
Oh, yeah.
So I had to tear it all apart, and I thought it was the solenoids bad, but it was the ground between cases
Yeah.
had corrosion in between it. Once I cleaned all that out and put it back together, it worked like a top.
You bet. So the only one failure I've had on the Xeon 10 or excuse me 8S that I had on that JK was a ground. The ground on the bottom of the case had corroded, and it broke. The ground broke off at the island, and luckily I tested my winch before we were going out to Moab, and I saw that it wasn't working, so then I figured out it was that ground, but it was just the small ground wire, right? That they use on these.
Yeah.
Systems.
Did you order the quick link? You had it quick link, don't you?
The quick link.
Instead of the hook.
I have those in inventory at the
Yeah.
shop, so I
So
will put one on.
Yeah.
That's the one thing I wish. Actually, on this whole setup here, I kind of wish. Wait a minute. I gotta make sure this is this is in the shot too. So I wish they had a nicer fair leaf.
So
So I have to do the Epic.
no, you order one through what makes the quick link. They make fair
Factory
links.
55.
Yeah.
Yeah. So look, I have Factory 55 fair links in stock.
Yeah.
I'm actually really excited about Addictive Desert Design. So they made a Haas Fairlead that in their own kind of winch thimble, I'll call it, right, for generic, and it actually has a cutout in the Fairlead itself for that Fairlead to sit in, so that it can't move.
Oh yeah.
It kind of locks itself
Yeah.
in place, and I think that's really.
So it's not like the Power Wagon where I can't even I can get it in the bumper.
I know.
It sticks
It's
out.
there, and that's all that really
Yeah.
matters.
It's still safer.
Like this is gonna stick out like a sore thumb, and I will end up changing this.
The main thing to look for when you get in Fairleads for the rope is this radius.
Yep.
You see how big that radius is.
Yep. Gotta have a big radius for that rope to slide across,
and it polished.
and wide enough in here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You'll see a guy buy a 10,000 or 12,000 pound winch, and they want to go synthetic rope or something.
Yeah.
So they'll buy the rope, and then they'll order some cheap $40 Fairlead off of eBay or whatever, and it's got a 1/2 inch or 3/4 open.
I've seen it with a 1/2 inch radius on here.
Yeah.
And you can see the lines on it from the mill, how they milled it.
Yeah.
And as soon as you try pulling it, I seen the winch line just snap as soon as they put tension on it. And it broke right at the Fairlead.
See, they sent me a condom.
Yeah. Thought they were.
Excuse me while I whip this out. This video this weekend cost me an extra $75 for my freaking cake. Like 3 o'clock on fucking Friday, I'm like, I really want to install that bumper or that winch this weekend. So I call him up like, hey, how much do I make? $75. I'm like, send it. You know how it is.
JCR makes one of these for $200.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. This was a 260 retail.
Yeah, I think so.
What is that? Oh, is that the winch kit for the bumper?
Yeah.
It's the plate. So that's the bracket that goes inside the frame, kind of like up in here. And then there's
Oh, there's a lot. I thought the bumper was almost ready to go.
No, man. These things are kind of a pain in the dick, honestly.
So should I cancel the bumper package and just get it's $1,200 or $1,300?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just get aftermarket one.
Yeah, good
I
aftermarket.
just haven't seen any where I'm like, it looks so JK. I want something that's like.
Well, that's what
doesn't
I'm
look
waiting.
JK.
I'm waiting for Carl or Custom to come out with one.
Yeah.
Just a matter of time. They're going to come.
Because I
cool.
really like the front bumper. I wish I could just get the front bumper.
These won't hold up if you bash it on the rock and mow out. I guarantee it'll bend.
Oh, I just like the
Yeah.
outside. Nah.
Step one. Drink some cold smoke.
Step one: take the instructions and throw them in the garbage.
Give me the fucking thing.
So, first thing is take this old one off. You got to take this little plastic cover off. Pop this thing all off. Or actually, you can take your skid plate out underneath. And you know what? I brought a tool with me. We might come in handy. There's the red one.
It's annoying the shit out of me. And it annoys everyone. It's not just me, it's other JK owners, it's everybody. So, it's like,
They're coming out with that hydraulic assist when you're running large tires. The one that, have you seen the one that Light Bright put on theirs?
yeah, I was trying to call
Shout
it
out.
Texas. What is it? West
So-
Coast, Texas.
If I put a huge battery on this, it's gonna have huge power.
They'll
Right?
just burn it up.
I feel like it's the
Oh,
same
it don't
power.
fit. Yeah, so I had to bend. These do not fit on power tools, by the way. I had to bend this guy out on my half-inch gun. Even on the 6 amp
I
hour.
thought it just lasted.
Epic recovery kit. Yeah, Jeep's trying to get in the whole aftermarket. If I can figure out how to open it. Gloves. See, I like this. That's nice. Snap cloth. Yeah, nice. 12 ton. Forged. Must be made in the USA. We'll just use this thing as a shoot strap.
I don't like this. The fact that there's no bead protector.
Oh, I can't. Yeah, that's crazy. That no off-road tire has that and doesn't have that.
The IROCs here, they have a small one, but if you go put your finger on a Toyo or the Nitto Ridge Grappler or any of Nitto's tires, they got a freaking bead protector that sticks out here.
Duratrax have a nice
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna stuff a freaking stick in here. I am 100% sure. I know it's gonna happen, and I'm gonna be pissed off. And then,
Oh, there's the.
That's so interesting. Yeah, you just gotta it goes through I think 6 different modes.
I mean, this is a little bro-dozer, but
Yeah.
whatever.
You better just park it at the parking lot, go inside, grab yourself some coffee or something. It's just afternoon.
That's cool right there.
I like that one.
Ooh, it's like 4th of July in my shop. Is this happening?
There's a future JL owner right there. The good tools are at the grill shop.
I have a tool for those clips.
So do
Instead,
I do too,
Dual
in my
wielding
shop.
screwdrivers. Of course.
Don't scratch the grill.
Turn, you little hoe. See, these are real life struggles
Oh, there we go.
that everybody goes through. Luckily, I've been through these real life struggles a couple of times. Give me some. Give me some. Oh, Sean! Bye. Look at all that space for fun things.
Just don't do this, drop it in and you're done.
What's going on?
Yeah. You don't even need to take the bumper off. Just take this plate off.
Slide it on in. Well, put a bead on her. Call her good.
Grit, spit, and a whole lot of duct tape.
Dude, that bumper's good enough for me. I ain't even slamming it.
Dude, you know what I don't
You haven't gone with us in a while.
I think the video's
It's all about driving.
I think the video's going to include us going to the shop for tools. Nice. So I did not have power tools for this.
Just do it there if you're going to go there.
No way, man. I have to start using my home shop.
Yeah, you got to see the tools you need to if you're going to look
That's right.
You need a whiteboard up here and start writing down every tool that crap. I need this tool here. Then you got a list when you're on the phone to order stuff. Oh wait,
So,
give me
I
all
kinda
this
know
stuff
already. I just don't want to buy dual tools, so I'm resisting the urge to take all my tools home. But here's the deal, dude. Like, I don't turn wrenches a whole lot anymore at the shop, right?
Only every other time I'm there.
Yeah. I was at the end of last year. I was turning a lot of wrenches, but that's not the right size, by the way. That's how you beat them.
Do what you got to do.
Look at here.
Did Warren?
Oh, it's just wax.
I think the kit gives you nuts to put those back on.
As they should. You look. Jam on.
Did you know the difference too? Which I didn't know.
That's not bad. Wait, what's that?
The plastic bumper group
Yeah.
doesn't have the nuts in the frame right here. These two bolts.
And you need them?
They have one in the front. And they're just holes. They're just open holes.
Huh.
The net zerts.
So
when
you
you
need
go-
them for this.
So if you go to put this bumper
That's
on a Jeep that had a plastic bumper on it,
they don't have the holes.
the nut
there.
zerts aren't. No, holes are there, but there's no nut zerts in
Oh,
it.
no shit.
Yeah,
It's a good thing for me I got a nut zert tool.
I know. Well, I guess the nut zerts are pretty cheap through Mopar.
Holy yeah.
Yeah.
Shoot straight. Walk around.
I kind of put a little pressure on one side
Got
because it's not fitting.
I know. Right tool for the job, huh? It ain't straight.
I feel like straight is what's gonna bring it. I feel like straight.
Gotta be perpendicular to the bolt. There you go.
I know.
Are we doing all this with open end wrenches?
Hey, just like everybody else does,
We have two shops with every tool you can imagine in it. We don't have nothing here.
I feel like this could have a ratchet system. It feels so weird using hand tools.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Okay, Okay, what do you want? You want whiskey? Do you want bourbon? Do you want vodka?
Sounds good. No, you don't have to. Definitely bourbon.
Okay. Ladies.
Steering stabilizer. Fully adjustable steering stabilizer. That's nice. Yeah. No. No, it says soft. That way. Does it turn? It turns medium and firm.
Things like it was fully.
Oh, is it? Those your bolts? I'm just so happy with 37s in the Power Wagon. Those things, aside from those things, drive so good. I'm gonna get another set for some of them. I'll just take those off. Just keep it for winter. Yeah, I haven't found anyone that doesn't like them. They're totally quiet.
I'd imagine they're gonna wear it quick because they're soft, but I don't
Yeah.
care. I just want to be soft.
What's up? What's up? Hey, success.
Yeah.
We were about 10 minutes away from getting the plasma cutter out.
Where are you now? Where are you now, buddy?
So then after this, you will no longer have a license plate.
It has a relocation bracket.
Yeah, Poison Spider and a lot of other folks, they make a kit that you can put behind your feet. And
My understanding is that in the state of Montana, if there's no place for one, you don't have to have one in front.
no, it comes down to the original equipment. So
It
if-
came with one.
Yeah.
Dang it.
It's on video.
They probably think, dude, you see
Hey.
my new plates? You haven't seen the new plates I ordered on them too. I just got them in. It says Ford Tough.
Does it really?
Yeah, it's sick. It's sick.
You got the custom plate.
Yep.
Hey, can we
I've
flip?
not ever gotten not custom
Can we
plates on
flip
that
this
road.
up like we did in my JK?
We can. Yep.
180.
So
There's a bolt. Like
JK,
it's like a
you
custom
can rotate
shoulder
it.
bolt.
why would you do that?
To get it up out of the way. It gives you that much more clearance. Whoa! Trust me, I've
Well,
used
with
it.
these things here, what are you gaining?
No, this because you don't damage it. Because I never ran
So,
I never ran skid
yeah,
plate.
a lot of folks don't run a skid plate under there. And yeah, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Mopar's winch stuff here that you can get
So we do have to take this off. That's me not reading instructions.
I was gonna take it off there.
Second guessing or something. Is this a cat? Are those cat prints?
No doubt.
Freaking cat or something. You have a cat?
Aw, cat was on my freaking hood. Ah,
You had a cat.
Off she goes.
Set it to powder coat.
Your ARB bumper, and then just between the bumper and there have a plate that just goes here, here, here.
But I would cut, if I was going to do it,
We want it up out of the way.
I would cut this off, cut these crash bars off. I did that on my JK.
Yeah, because this is low.
Like
This
right
is
here,
really low.
at this point right here, you just saws all the way around.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Oh shoot!
you know the thing is, like when you drop off,
We just go grab that other bumper at the shop.
what are the bumpers?
The crawler
Oh, the
customs,
crawler
the JK
concepts?
one. We just cut everything to a fit.
Have you did you say that you saw one of their new bumpers, Carla Concepts?
Not for JL, no. I was on their website today looking at.
What were you telling me about earlier?
That's I can't wait until they come out with one
Gotcha,
for JL.
gotcha.
just a matter of time.
Is it that much different right here than JK?
It's wider.
It's wider, but no, it's. I mean, as far as looks, they're pretty similar.
Yeah.
Well, I thought it was just the axle was wider, but the whole body and everything.
The frame is a wider
Frames.
stance.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, all kinds of different shit. But guys are making they're just putting different brackets on the JK bumpers and making them fit on these. Cool.
Like I have so much money in my JK, what can I take off of it?
I think it'd be cool to have a bumper with this shape right here on the bottom,
Yeah.
just like right there.
I feel like I seen one that I thought moto.
Feels like that would really go.
Yeah, have you seen moto boats?
Just like this shape, it's thinner up. You could even put some freaking grills in it.
You could.
Make it look like a Jeep grill.
Yeah, you get a little bit of airflow to that too if you didn't have a winch.
You need to get this out of the way. Have it cut out. Have it nice and narrow.
I think I'm honestly.
And have this piece going all the way back.
Look, what it's going to take for me to move anything right now is when I bash the shit out of that skid plate
Mm-hmm.
on the rock,
Yeah.
then I'll do something.
That's the worst part about ordering this. I'm like, it's gonna be like 2 months.
I know. That's why I can't. It's hard for me to order. I need to go see one buy it off the lot. Dude, it was killing my Power Wagon. I had to wait a month for it to come in. Oh my god, that was killing me.
He said it would be 8 weeks.
They don't know.
He said it would be 8 weeks.
Yeah, usually they don't know. It's whenever they put the order in. And
That's the other thing too. I thought I was like, if I
Next
order
on the
one,
list.
they're gonna build it so whatever they've learned, that you think they would at least do the newest stuff.
Yeah.
It's gonna be programmed right at least. Because I had heard the big one rain issue was because they had
We had
sent
ours
out 4
reprogrammed.
doors with 2-door computer software.
Oh, right.
And it's, different ratio and shorter wheelbase, so it made it wander like a lot.
Those are some burly ass grid nuts, dude.
Putting it back on now.
Yeah.
Hold on. Where's your other bolts up for that? Well, that side's all right. You got to put your carriage bolts in this one before you put it on, because
Just let me just follow instructions.
the instructions are wrong. So you put or securing the plate on, so you can put the bumper on. Get your straps ready.
They
Where's it
don't.
going?
Yeah, these two. The Mini doesn't have all the functionality.
Yes, it does. Exactly the same. I just read it.
Is it supposed to be angled that much?
Let's just get the nuts started here. Your nuts are down on the floor.
So this is where the strap.
That's next, isn't
Through here?
it? No. Well,
I think it's like that.
They show the indicated. I think so. Instructions.
Or they throw it through the.
What's the strap?
It holds it on. Is it through the square hole?
Yeah, it goes through the square hole. Yeah. No, just so you can get everything lined up.
Well, wouldn't we just put 2 bolts in right now?
No, because you gotta fit your bumper on still. Don't tighten all the way up. That's it.
So where are you going to? You tighten these after the bumpers on?
Yeah.
Well, the zip ties will go away eventually. You know what I'm saying?
Well, the bolts are there. So you got to feed the bumper in through all this stuff. So this is just supposed to hold it into place so you can get the bumper on.
Oh, okay. But when you have 3 guys, you probably.
Yeah. I think it's designed for one person. Want to tighten them up a little bit?
Well, let's get them tight. Let's get the lined up first. Gotta line up your holes.
Right there, I'd say. I don't want any tighter on my side, anyways.
Just long as-
Yeah. It'll push down a little bit.
What's that?
We'll just stop.
This is shop talk, man. See?
Don't scratch the winch. Definitely goes in first. You might want.
Dude, that winch isn't gonna like hide that much. It'll look pretty good. Won't be able to put here.
Yeah, I think it's about right there. It's, I don't care about the look. Like, if I need to get down there and I fuck my rope,
You just pull it out
Dude.
and pick it back in and pull it
No.
out and put it back in.
no, man. I've found myself in several situations to where, especially with synthetic rope, it's pitched over itself, and you cannot pull that rope
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
So, and of course you're stuck, so it's not like you're gonna hook it up to a tree and back up.
Yeah. Do you? We need to get that.
Never had synthetic rope. I've always been
And being able to wrap it up nicely, you can't see the goddamn rope in there. You can see it a little bit, but like when you're 15 feet away or 25 feet away, trying to winch, you can't see your rope. You don't know if it's piling up on one side. What happens if you're out by yourself? What happens
going like
if
this
you're
as
not?
It goes in?
Oh yeah, right. That happens. When you got all that freaking side pull going on.
No,
Yeah.
I'm talking about afterwards when you're.
Of course, afterwards, but that's not when winches break. Winches break while you're winching, right? Anyways, you're gonna pull, say, 40 feet of rope out, right? You pull 40 feet of rope out, you gotta go off at a 45-degree angle. So you're gonna start gaining at some point, right? So say you winch in 15 feet of that. It's all gonna pile up on this side, right?
So you're saying stop, pull it out, and redo it,
Yes.
and then
You
start
gotta
winching
stop,
again.
pull it out, readjust it.
I
and
would do
then-
that. I would naturally just do that.
But guess what? If you're standing back there, you can't see shit.
Well, you know what's doing it. This is
You
common
hope.
sense.
But
No, I
that's
mean,
not
you
how
just
it goes.
knew it piled. And I
Yeah.
went 15 feet, so now I need to read
Your sense, your common sense, and a lot of other people's is not common sense. And guess what? When you get to the point to where you have to access your rope, and I fucking know it will happen.
Makes sense.
I know it'll happen.
Let's
I'm
just
gonna be
leave it like
pissed.
this then. It's gonna look cool.
It
like
does
that.
look pretty good.
So,
man.
before-
I feel like maybe I could just fucking build a couple of brackets. to
Right
go
there.
I know.
down here.
Clean.
That looks so good.
So before I forget this thought,
Yeah.
we need that rope repair kit from Factory 55.
Yes, we do. I know. Thing's badass.
Oh, where it like goes and slides
It's
back
a
in.
needle.
Oh,
It's a
that
needle.
was
Yeah.
awesome. I saw that.
You know, look.
And they're making bubble ropes now too.
Are they?
Yeah, they're red.
They're not called bubble rope. They're called
No.
kinetic rope.
Kinetic rope.
Kinetic.
But it's the same.
Is that different than that big gorilla rope you had?
Same thing but smaller.
Nah, man. it's
Yeah,
way
dude.
better.
I think that's.
You could build off of that winch plate
Oh, it's so little cute.
if you wanted to. You could totally build off that winch plate.
Nice.
But I'm not gonna.
No, you're not.
I think just start with another winch plate. Have this angle right here, cut right like that. Oh yeah.
You guys are just crazy rock crawlers.
Yeah. Cut all that. Off.
We're gonna rock crawl, bro.
Oh, I
we're
am.
going to the. We're going to fucking.
But if I see something, I'm like, man, that looks like it's gonna hit my sway bar, and I'm not set up for it. I'm not gonna hit it.
You know about that? I want to.
I'm gonna fucking keep going.
I'm gonna come in at 45.
If I gotta get out with my tools and pull my sway bar and link off because I fucked up my motor, I'm cool with that, dude. I'll fucking get it done. I don't care.
I'm gonna put quick disconnects on my Rubicon.
I'll hear you before I see you. Every bump you hit them some bitches.
Is that
Bad
what
They
enough.
chatter. Yeah.
Hey, decent price of those wheels though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Especially if I get everything for you.
Nailed that freaking rock. This is a massive rock,
The
dude.
funny thing is when you're watching your video and you go after him, you see that big old rock. Like, I'm like, that's the one he hit right there. Holy crap.
Well, I didn't find it until I got stuck right there, and I'm like, whoa, there's a huge rock right here. Are you trying to stay out of the picture, the video? Right?
Sorry, bro.
Is it she just doesn't want to be alone?
Oh, wait, I got an idea.
Rope.
Yes.
That's what that goddamn.
And then pull it through from the back.
That's what that's for?
That's not strong enough though.
I hope I should double it over.
Yeah, I'd use a big one. Do you have another one of those?
Well, why the hell did I use a big one?
But you don't think that's gonna pull? Ain't gonna break.
It'll break. I broke.
I feel like there's a wire somewhere
I broke the ones.
that I'm missing.
We ended up using. I think we used steel wire when we did Alyssa's.
I feel like there's a freaking steel wire somewhere that I'm just missing. We got the packages around here that open up.
Hey, did you see RCV?
Insulation wires.
What the shit? It's always in focus. It doesn't focus. Everything. It's infinity. It's everything in focus. Did you see RCV's making drive shafts now?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be on.
I know. I was like, I seen a
I'm like,
picture
how
of
much
one.
is
I'm
that?
like,
I'll take it. Is it
that's
gonna be a forever
nice.
warranty? Because aren't they do a lifetime warranty on their axles, right? If it's 43s or smaller. Damn, that's a good deal.
I don't know what they're making it for.
I put
I'd assume a
factory
Jeep.
10s in my JK, and I'm like, yeah, it's still not gonna. So those don't break. Now everything else breaks.
I've never seen them include this wire before.
None. Didn't come with Alyssa's.
And that's what it's
I think
for.
you might need to go
Did you read the directions?
double
It's
it up a
supposed
couple
to go somewhere
times.
else.
Shouldn't have to
I think
double
one's
it.
good. One's strong enough. You got a set of vice grips.
Well, I'll wrap this around some shit.
Oh yeah, you wrap around a piece of screwdriver. You yank it. Thing is-
Got him! Got him!
Well, yeah, I did like that. Feed that thing through. Yeah.
You know what, though?
You don't have the balls.
I'm gonna move this son of a bitch.
Oh, now you're gonna go with the freaking soap idea.
No, I'm gonna grease him.
Don't use grease because it won't come out. Use soap. Because it,
But you have to have it come off for it.
it's not slippery.
Grease will come out. Soap just dries up.
Yeah.
So you don't jerk off with shampoo.
Jeez.
I'm gonna have all these tags on this thing. Every time I hear a swear word, or I'm gonna edit that out.
You'll be able to have people click on politically correct and non-politically correct.
I know. On my video, me and Gary up a highlight. The guy's like, "That's not a power wagon. You just put stickers on the tailgate."
Someone said that?
Yeah, I fucking trolled.
He's like, "I just sold my power wagon, and they're totally different. The fenders are different. The grill's different."
That's fucking weird. You're like, oh, okay. My lockers.
So I explained to him, and he came back. He's like, "No." He's like, "You're a liar. The wheels are different." He's like, "You're a liar. You just stuck the stickers on there." So I posted it on the Power Wagon page on Facebook. I was like, "Hey, can you guys come help defend me on my YouTube channel?" I'm like, I was like, I can't deal with stupid anymore.
$1,000+ on a Power Wagon that's not a Power
I
Wagon.
was like, I can't deal with stupid no more.
No, nor should you.
So I got. It was funny. Oh, Darren went on there and put the freaking window sticker. It's a J22.
That's how you fucking get down.
Told you,
What was
break.
that? What was that?
You all right? You okay? That's all. Stick.
Oh shit! It came through.
That's all you need.
Yeah, it came through.
Oh,
It-
I was like,
Look at
what?
my tool, dude.
I think straight.
How do you not get shit done with this?
Wait, where was the wedge? I wanted to see that thing.
Oh, you missed it. You can look and see it.
It's in there.
I'm pretty sure it goes sideways, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Let's
so.
look at it.
Because it tapers this way. That's straight.
What's that notch up top for?
I don't know.
Is there a keeper?
No?
You could probably just hit it in, couldn't you? No. Should just push it.
It will naturally find its way in. Here.
Yeah.
Give me a hand,
Well,
boys.
can't you just turn it so you're just pulling straight on it so it doesn't have to wrap
Yeah.
around?
Free spool.
There you go. I'd
It's
help.
the wraps on the winch that actually
you call it
do
rope
all
now?
the pulling.
Yeah.
If you're letting it out that far, you got issues.
Oh, I have though. I'm like, ah, crap, I need more.
That's why I need to go down.
But what is the average one? Is it 100 feet? Can you get 300?
75 and
The
100.
drums aren't big enough.
75 and 100.
You-
I
but
think
you
maybe
can
I
go-
had 75 and I wished I had 100.
You can go down the
Off-roading. Now you can start seeing a lot of plugs and stuff, and you're like, but I actually, they just messaged me. Like, they are like not so busy that they won't like throw a little bone here and there to this.
Good.
You know? It's weird because when I saw the message, I'm like, you guys are a bunch of dorks a year ago started this, and when you messaged me, I was slightly starstruck. Isn't that ridiculous? I was like, oh my god.
these guys-
And I was like, the main reason I just wanted to answer is I'm gonna do the same thing that you did, you know, your wife and yada yada. I was like, I'm gonna throw 38s on my Jeep. It already wanders, right? Because the JL is my wife gonna make me sleep on the couch. And it's like, if you do the Ram Assist, you will be happy.
That's what he
I
said.
promise.
That's what he says. is
Yes.
the-
And he's like, where do you live? And I said, Montana. And he's like, we are gonna try to get to Montana, but it ain't gonna be for a while. If you were closer, I'd let you just rally my Jeep.
So-
Like, I'd let you drive.
Here's what I'll tell you. This adjustable
That's a sense.
steering stabilizer. If the hydraulic assist is the key to wandering issues, then guess what? You put that up to high, it's almost as strong.
Right. It's just
It's crazy how tight your steering is when that thing's on high. Okay, we ready, dude?
Go.
Fritz, Mr.
That's me.
Fritz.
That's me. I got a job.
You know, I'd be having something to do.
I think those have to go
I'm
down.
in, but I'm not.
It's got to go
Oh
through
yeah,
two,
it kind of
two plates.
to come off, wasn't it?
It sure was, and we have some other brackets here that are kind of.
You're started on the outside.
Yeah. Oh, is it the bracket?
It's the inside, the bracket. I think it needs the winch bracket. Light. There we go.
Here, let me jump in. Whoa, 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 hold on.
The top is in.
Let me get some nuts started. I don't want to lose my momentum.
There's through the plate.
Yeah, the top one's. No, it's not.
Looks,
had to,
it
like-
looks like you gotta go down.
Lift up really hard. What? Lift up? Hold on just a sec. Getting that freaking.
I got skinny hands.
Yeah, I might need to do it.
Oh, there you go. That was it there.
How's that inside bolt get in there?
That's the one I'm
I see that one. Extension. You need extension back here.
It really protects the freaking winch, though.
Does it protect enough where it's not going to get covered in salt? Because you can't put the cover on now.
This ain't
I always keep my stuff covered. Michigan.
Actually, I have seen videos where people
Pennsylvania are
have a
bad.
cover on that with this bumper. How the hell do they just take the time?
Oh yeah, probably. Yeah, it'll probably get done.
Yeah. Yeah, I lost 2 neoprene freaking covers on my power plant. I was like, there's
Oh, yeah.
fucking $180.
honestly, I could make a sheet metal cover for this. If you could do like cam bolts. where you
The
just-
race ones.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you could build a cover. This right here.
I got that bender.
For sure.
Make it cool. Yeah. You can put both those on together.
I don't really want that bracket on there. to be
What are you
honest
doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Doing it twice when I should have done it once.
That's why.
Didn't you
that's
read
why I'm
the
glad we're over here
instructions?
learning this, so we can do it right when I get mine.
Oh, it's always fun doing everything the first time.
Yeah, but you get so much life experience when you have to do things twice.
My problem is I'm so anal OCD when something is new that I just overthink, I redo everything, and I'm just like, what a waste of energy. Hate it. And I'm like, that was actually really easy. Why did that take me 10 hours to do?
The way I look at it, what else is I going to do, right?
Oh, I know. There's a lot of things I could do. Actually go wheeling.
Just be out wheeling.
Yeah. That's why I like to pay people to do shit now. I'm like, I just want it done. Let's just go play after that. Oh, so then the license plate goes here at an
Yeah.
angle? God, it hides the warrant.
I'm pretty sure I'm not getting a freaking license for this thing.
But at least it's there in case cops like, oh, I just got this on here. Sorry, sir. I'll put that on right when I get home.
I have a lot of cops that follow me on. You do.
So, if this went on this way,
Yeah, but that's
we'd be in
upside
good
down.
shape. That game was tight.
Oh, it is that way.
Less.
It is that way. Look at this.
Yeah, figuring shit, huh?
Oh, that makes way more sense. Now the warrant's not hidden. The plate's all
The plate-
angled. It's there, but you don't really see it.
How do you get it off though?
Dude, I'm tearing that clean off. I can't even fucking deal with it. Wait.
I mean,
You have to,
it's
so you have to
be
take your,
legal.
you have to take your license plate off every single time.
No, you're getting a new bumper anyway. This
Oh no,
is
they
just
want
yeah.
it below. It sticks them
Well,
below.
exactly.
Because you still got the skid plates going here yet.
I'm still tearing this off.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Only if you back up. Otherwise,
No.
you're just smashing it in.
He'll smash it in on the rocks for sure.
I just feel like you're saying you're not a very good wheeler. That's all.
We never
Looks
did
good.
scratch
Can't we
his
just go
rear
off of
bumper.
It looks good right now. You're not going rock crawling for a while. There's no rock crawling in Montana.
Dude.
There is, it's just, you gotta poach it.
We just cut that thing off.
Well, that's what's gonna end up happening. Because I don't want these holes to be
Cover
Exposed?
yeah.
Have you ever been to the Ringing Rock? Is that? I heard that's
Hey, you know what you need?
rock crawl.
A magnet. Can you just put some raw earth magnets and stick your plate over top of it, and then you can just pull it off real easy?
What is this shit?
I looked at, the magnet thing, but I'm like, man, what if it fell off? I didn't even know.
You can put a little strap on
What's
No
up, Grace
problem.
May? What you doing, chica?
it, just for safety.
What is this all about? You got these high-end freaking,
Those are to go this way. You got to put them in backwards. That's
oh,
good.
shit.
That's
Is
what
there
it looks
even
like.
enough room? I don't think there's enough room, bro.
Oh, I'll get you in there.
I'm talking about, like, there's not enough, length.
The one guy.
Yes, I'm married.
Sorry, ladies.
Hey, guys.
It's not those two that I'm worried about. It's all the other genders. That I don't
Probably
know.
got to get this
It's all the other-
too before we do it. Huh?
It's all the other genders I don't know about.
That's where I got mine from.
That might be the right thing. With the lock washer on it. That'd work.
You got it almost up a little bit. Get the tip up. There you go.
Dude, I did just let that fall. I was like, okay, please don't let it fall all the way. See, that looks gorgeous.
Is there an
You
18?
putting the lock nut on there?
Yeah, 18 socket up. There it is.
Yeah, put the lock washer on because I used to be too
the shaft's gonna be too long.
It happens.
Otherwise.
I guess you can get cervix cancer from that. It's just spinning in my head now. I'm a looks guy. Looks good.
Man, this Milwaukee kicks ass. Better not edit that shit.
Get some.
Damn, dude. This is gonna be extra special.
Do you not have a magnet? So I'll take one of the magnet things put on the corner of it.
I got a trick.
However, I do have.
Do you have to use their bolt?
That
You
piece
can
of
put
wire.
these back in? So it looks.
Oh yeah, not these ones.
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah, I'm like,
Cold smoke, dude.
I was like,
Don't
man, they did a
do
great
that.
job except for that part.
Cold smoke.
Woo! You know that shit's like 6-7%.
Oh yeah. So I was gonna-
Luckily, I'm drinking
Use that piece of wire. Run that wire through here. Run this down to it. Then you can just hold it.